Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be a full face beat using some new products, and I am back. I am so excited to be back here with you guys filming, especially Makeup Mondays. You guys love them and I love filming them for you. So today we're going to be doing this full beat. It's a little bit smoky, but it's a little like pumpkin-y as well. I am going to be testing out some new products from Mario's line. This is Makeup by Mario, which is Kim Kardashian's like makeup artist. I know that he does other makeup artists makeup, but I know him for Kim, or because of Kim. So I am going to be testing these out. Obviously I'm going to show you guys how they work, what I think about them, and if I think they are worth your money, as well as I am finally going to test the Rare Beauty foundation. This is by Selena Gomez. I know it took me a while. I wasn't planning on filming or testing out this brand, but then I've seen so many good things about this foundation, I decided to jump on the bandwagon, even if it's late. So I'm going to show you guys everything in today's look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, just so I know that you guys want to see more tutorials like these where I test out new products, whether they are drugstore or high-end. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you're sitting back, you relax, put on your cozy PJs, grab a warm blanket, grab your hot chocolate, your cafecito. I've already finished mine, and let's go ahead and get glam together, or watch me get glam for Makeup Monday. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. I'm going to start with complexion, just because I really want to see how this foundation is going to look. And let me tell you guys, the story behind me getting the new Rare Beauty foundation was a hot mess. But let me apply my primer. So I'm going to take this one by Wet n Wild. It is the matte primer. I don't know if this is actually like new, but I did see it at my local Walmart in their like new display where they have like all the Halloween stuff, and it really caught my eye because hello, it says matte. Now I do have to say it doesn't really feel like a primer. I feel like all the Wet n Wild primers feel like this, where they're not silicone, which is good, but then at the same time it's like they also don't feel like primers. So there's that. For the foundation, today I'm going to be trying out, technically for the second time, because I did use it once, but that foundation I had to return because it was like way too light. So this is the Liquid Touch Weightless foundation in the shade 290N, which I know I am like the last human being in this world to test out this foundation, but obviously I was on maternity leave and I couldn't really, sit down and film while I was recovering. But oh my gosh, you guys, this foundation, I had to return it about 3 or 4 times because every single time that I would go and get it, the foundation was wrong. It was off. Either the undertone was like too warm, it was too light, it was too dark. So I finally was able to match myself. And again, I picked up the shade 290N. It sucks because their testers are not available because of COVID, which makes it so much harder. So I'm just going to apply some to the skin. I did find that this foundation is definitely full coverage, well, medium to full coverage, but you can definitely work with it and make it full coverage. Yes, this is going to be my shade. The girls from Sephora were so sweet and they were so patient with me and let me pretty much return the foundations. And they were telling me that they've had a lot of issues, that I'm not the only one, because I felt really bad having to return the foundation. But I mean, I wasn't going to stay with like 4 or 5 different shades of foundations just because I couldn't get my skin tone right. And like I said, because of COVID, they don't have any testers out anymore. So finally, I'm pretty sure this is going to be like the foundation shade for me. If you suffer from like texture skin, I also feel like you're really going to love this foundation because it is a weightless foundation. It doesn't emphasize the pores or the texture on the skin. on the skin. I choked on my own saliva. There is the foundation, you guys. Again, I really personally like it. I would definitely recommend it to pretty much anybody that has any skin type. I really think this foundation is going to be like the it foundation of 2020. It looks so beautiful on the skin and it wears super nicely. So I'm going to move on to the concealer really quick. I don't have anything new, so I'm just going to take this one by Dose of Colors, which has also become one of my like top favorite concealers. Really creamy, full coverage, and it literally covers up anything because it is so full coverage. I definitely have really bad dark circles right now because hello, becoming a new mom is like a whole new thing. And even though baby has been really good at like letting me sleep, but still, you know, like those late night feedings and things like that definitely catch up with me. But that's okay. I am loving every single minute of it, you guys. So I'm just going to blend this in with another product that I've been really loving, which is this brush by Rare Beauty. I was so tempted to buy the foundation brush, but I was like, I don't need it. I don't need it. I taught myself out of it, but it just looks like a really good foundation brush to like buff in the foundation. Duh. For my setting powder, I'm just going to set with my Huda Beauty. I also don't have any new setting powders. If you guys have been loving a specific setting / baking powder, please let me know in the comment section down below because I love testing out new setting powders. I think it's like one of my top favorite things to try out besides like bronzers and foundations and eyeshadows. I'm going to move on to my bronzer. I'm going to use also a product that I've been loving. This is the Pure Bronzer, and the shade is Mineral Glow. I love applying a glowy bronzers during this time of year because skin tends to be a little more glowy, a little more fresh, a little bit dewy, not so like matte. I mean, obviously, we can never go wrong with a matte look. It's a vibe. I love matte skin, but I definitely want to be a little more fresh, you know? For my blush today, I'm going to use this one by Laura Mercier, and this is in the shade Fresco. It's a beautiful nude with like beigey undertones. Love this blush. I don't know why I don't use it as often. I also have a video. I don't know if this one's going to go up first or this one, but I did do an uncluttering of my blushes and bronzers. So if you guys have seen that video or if it's posted, I will have it linked up here. If not, then it should be up this week. But yeah, I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush. And then for the highlighter, so I am super excited to test out all these like Makeup by Mario makeup products because obviously he is an amazing makeup artist. So this is the Master Crystal Reflector highlighter. It does say that it's for the eyes, but I picked it up because I really wanted to apply that on my cheeks. So let's try this out because it looks super pretty. This is in the shade Citrine, which is a gorgeous gold. I'm gonna take that and pop that right there. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that it's not like boom blinding, but the more that you like apply it, the more it looks blinding on the skin. Also, it does have like quite a bit of like gold glitter, I guess, or reflex, but once you apply them on the skin, like casi no se ven. They just kind of like blend one with the skin. Ooh, this is really pretty. I actually like this. Now let's move on to the actual eyeshadow, you guys. This definitely has to be the most exciting part for me because if you are familiar with my channel, you guys know that I am a huge eyeshadow fan. I love eyeshadow. I love collecting palettes. So I bought these two. I bought the Master Mattes, which is an all matte palette. Oh my god, these look so amazing. I have not swatched any of them because I really wanted to test them and give you first impressions on camera. And then I also picked up the Master Metals. These just look insane. So I think I want to go for like an orange pumpkin-y look. I'm going to prime my lids really quick using the P. Louise base. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the eyes. They're nice and prepped. I'm going to start off with the mattes palette. I don't know exactly what I'm going to create, but I know that I want to do a pumpkin-y, orangey color because I really want to use that gorgeous orange shade. So I'm going to take this brush by Morphe, the M505, and let's go ahead and start with, I think I'm going to start with this shade right here. These don't have any names on them. They just have like matte 1, matte 2, up to matte 12. Honestly, I'm not good with like coordinating the names to the back to the front. So I'm just going to point them out to you guys. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to start, I'm going to start applying that there. Actually, I'm going to peel off with sticker. And I'm going to use this mirror as a little guide. Okay, that's really pretty. That's exactly the color that I thought it was going to be, like a burnt red brown. I'm going to concentrate that first in the outer corner of the eye, just popping it on here. Right away I can tell you that these are crazy pigmented and super creamy. I mean, I really wasn't expecting anything less from Mario because he is just an amazing makeup artist, and I would love for him to grace me with his magic one day and like do my makeup. Imagine how cool that would be. Oh my gosh, that would be a dream. Let's try out a few more shades, yeah? So let's go in with this really pretty like burgundy brown. And I'm just going to use the same brush, the M443. And again, I'm just going to place all these colors right here. I'm almost going to like muddy the eye and create a very outer corner smoky eye. These are just building up so beautifully, like they're working together so nicely. It's very rare when you get matte shades that are this creamy and buttery to work with each other and not get patchy or skippy, I guess, in a way. These are just like blending like butter together, so definitely loving that. Super silky, you guys. Oh my gosh, I knew I was gonna love this palette the moment that I got it. Like, I literally could not wait for me to play with it, but I ordered this like the day that I was in the hospital about to give birth. I was like, let me hop on to Sephora. Now I'm going to take a smaller, more detailed brush. I'm going to take this one right here, and it's super dirty. I'm going to go in with the black. You know what? We're not going to be scared today. I was going to take that dark, sorry you guys, my phone keeps going off. Just going to turn it off. I was going to go in with the brown one, but mama didn't raise no chicken, so I'm going to go in with the black shade and just very lightly, because I know this is going to be pigmented. I'm just going to apply this right here. I'm not going to bring up this color too high because I don't want the black to overcome or overtake that. I cannot speak today. I don't want this to like take over the entire look. I just really want this to be on the outer part of the eye. And I'm dragging it in to the lash line, almost creating an eyeliner at the same time. Then I'm going to go back with my brush, and one more time I'm going to pick up that red brick color. And I'm going to apply that where the black ends. I really like this color. I am loving these shadows so far, you guys. Super good. So now let's move on to the Master Metals. So along with this, I also purchased the Master Metal Manipulator Mixing Liquid. I'm dipping my brush into a little bit of that mixing medium stuff. I'm going to apply that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, this orange is literally life. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look. We can apply our lipstick, and this look will be done, you guys. All right, you guys, so for lashes, obviously I went with my own. This is my lashes, and these are in the style Workflow. These are a little bit more appropriate for like work time, everyday use. They're a little bit fluffy, long, curly, perky, and girly, but they still have a little oomph to them. So if you want a little extraness for your everyday look, these lashes are going to be for you. I will have the link in the description box down below. And then for my lips, I just use this e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner. I've been loving these lip liners. They're super creamy, super pigmented, and the formula is really bomb. I paired it with the Beauty Creations matte lipstick in the shade Naughty, which is this one. And then I added a little bit of a gloss. This is the Pixie by Petra Sweet Nectar Gloss. I just wanted something to kind of go with the eyes, since the eyes are so like bam in your face with the orange and the smokiness. So I really love this look, you guys. Overall, I really enjoyed all the products. The foundation is definitely like the standout product for me. I love this foundation. I think it's going to be my new go-to, and I have so many foundations, but this one is just like anything else that I personally own. It's very lightweight, very soft on the skin. Again, perfect for oily skin and for texture skin. So I highly suggest this one. And then obviously the palettes, the Makeup by Margaret palettes, I am obsessed with them. I'm definitely going to keep playing with them and create more looks for you guys. The highlighter, I wouldn't say that it's my favorite. It's okay. I would personally skip on it if you guys already have highlighters. I just wanted to test it out. It's alright, but I definitely loved his eyeshadows. His formula is really good. So those are my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoy today's video for Makeup Monday. If you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Ohmglashes, or you can send me your pictures through my Instagram, and I will post you there. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!